In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a great skill to have if you want to make your PDFs interactive and more useful for whoever reads them. Let's go through this process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First things first, open the PDF you wish to modify in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is your starting point, and it's important to ensure the document you're working on is the correct version and ready for the changes you'll make. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the window and click on Edit. This enables you to make adjustments to the content of your PDF. Now, think about where you want the hyperlink to appear. Identify the area or the specific text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. It could be a word, a phrase, or even an image. Once you've decided, highlight that area or text. This signals to Acrobat which part of the document will become interactive. If you're working with text and want to maintain a conventional hyperlink appearance, consider changing the text color to blue. This small change is done in the Edit panel under the Format Text section. While this isn't a technical necessity, it helps users quickly recognize interactive links, enhancing user experience. Continuing in the Edit panel, look for the Link button. Click on it and then you'll see the option to add or edit links. Selecting this will activate a crosshair cursor. With this cursor, you can precisely highlight the area or text you wish to link. Once the area is highlighted, you'll see the Create Link dialog box appear. This is where you'll set up the properties for your hyperlink. Within this dialog box, set the link type to invisible rectangle. This option is generally preferable as it doesn't disrupt the visual design of your document. For the highlight style, go with outline. Outlining provides a subtle visual cue that the item is interactive without being overly intrusive. Moving on to the link action section, select Open a web page. This tells Acrobat you intend for the hyperlink to direct users to a web URL. After making this selection, click Next to proceed. The following step is entering the URL. Ensure the web address you input is accurate. A simple typo can prevent the hyperlink from working altogether, so double check the address to avoid any issues. Finally, exit edit mode to apply your changes. Be sure to thoroughly test your hyperlink to confirm it functions as expected. Simply clicking the link within your PDF should open your specified web page. If you encounter any problems, recheck previous steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. And there you have it, a fully functional hyperlink in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This small addition can significantly enhance your document's interactivity and accessibility, making information more readily available to your audience. Happy editing!